In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give customers credit in QuickBooks Online. Giving credit to your customers can be a handy tool when you need to manage your accounting and keep your clients happy, whether it's due to a return, an allowance, or even an incentive. Understanding how to efficiently create a credit memo in QuickBooks Online will streamline your workflow and allow you to maintain accurate records. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're on this main page, your first step is to click on the New button, which you'll find conveniently located at the top left corner of your screen. This button gives you access to a variety of transaction types, but for today's purpose, we'll focus on creating a credit memo. Selecting Credit Memo from the drop-down is your next move. By doing so, you're telling QuickBooks that you want to issue some form of credit to a customer. This simple action is pivotal because it sets up the entire sequence we'll follow next. Now, it's time to input your customer information. Start by entering details such as the customer's name, email address, and billing address. This ensures that the credit memo is associated with the right person or business in your records. Don't forget to include the credit memo date, which defaults to the current date but can be adjusted if the credit is meant to reflect a previous transaction or agreement. After you've input all the necessary customer data, you can proceed to add the product or service details. Specify exactly what product or service this credit applies to and enter the amount of the credit. This part is crucial because it details what the credit is for and how it impacts your financial records. Whether it's a partial credit or a full credit of a previous transaction, getting these numbers right will keep your accounting precise. Once everything is entered and double-checked, you're ready to make it official by clicking on Save and Send. This action saves the credit memo in your QuickBooks Online system and gives you the option to email the credit memo directly to your customer, ensuring they are aware of the credit and have it documented for their records. And just like that, you've completed the process of issuing a credit to a customer. It might sound simple, but each step is integral to ensure both you and your customer have clear and accurate records. Frequent practice and attention to detail will make this process feel more intuitive over time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough makes your QuickBooks Online experience smoother and more efficient.